shit coming out of you. Oh, I broke my own sister's leg. Dickwad, you pathetic fool.
Yeah, what's up, guys? Welcome to another episode, guys. Don't time this and this another Grand Theft Auto TV episode, man. Welcome, man.
Who you think you fighting, fool?
And today we're gonna be doing one of the bank robberies, man. I was just taking care of these fools, man. They tried me. We're gonna be using this light blue Ferrari 812, man. What the hell did I get to? Let's get it. Let's go, man. This thing moves like. This thing moves. This thing moves, man. Let's go, man. Let's go get this video on, man. If you just tune in, man, make sure you subscribe. So you click on the subscribe button and also click on the bell. That's the notification. So anytime I upload a video, you'll get notified. So you can come and watch the video. You feel me? Let's go, bro. This car just appeared out of nowhere, man. No, it's scary. Let's go, man. So I'm gonna be hitting the bank right over here, man. Let's go. Man, you won't fight. So, you won't fight, man. You won't fight. Man, drop your ass, man. Go to bed. I don't know what's up today, but everybody wanna find me, man. Like everyone wanna find me today. This thing moves.